Are you ready to explore the incredible world of 10 amazing metal work processes? This video promises pure satisfaction, so sit back, relax, and get ready for an extraordinary experience. Petters, renowned for their high-quality suspension components, manufactures their coil springs with meticulous precision at their world-class facility in Victoria. The process begins with hot coiling, where springs are shaped at high temperatures to achieve optimal properties. They are then oil-quenched to enhance strength and durability. Furnace tempering further improves their mechanical properties, followed by shot peening to boost fatigue, strength, and stress resistance. Rigorous testing ensures each spring meets or exceeds original tolerances. This comprehensive process guarantees that Petters coil springs are among the best in the world, offering unmatched consistency and performance for various applications. Hungju Group is renowned for producing high-quality roller chains used across various industries like industrial machinery, agriculture, and transportation. Their roller chains are crafted to meet stringent standards, ensuring durability and strength. They offer types such as chains with attachments, hollow pin chains, and heavy-duty chains, available in materials like galvanized, nickel-plated, and stainless steel. Each chain undergoes processes like shot peening and pre-drawing to enhance fatigue resistance and reduce elongation. Designed to handle high strength and fatigue, these chains provide long-lasting performance. With options for customization to enhance wear and corrosion resistance, Hungju roller chains are a reliable choice for demanding applications. Jaguar, a pioneer in hairdressing and barber scissors, has been innovating since 1932. Manufactured in Solingen, Germany, each pair of scissors undergoes over 120 meticulous working cycles and quality checks by skilled specialists. Jaguar produces up to 3,000 pairs daily, ensuring high standards through advanced precision edge technology, P-TECH, sharpening, which enhances sharpness and edge retention. Their scissors, with a Rockwell hardness of 58 HRC, are renowned for durability. Jaguar's range includes various lines like Black Line and Gold Line, and they also offer razors, hair dryers, clippers, and styling tools, making them a trusted name in the industry. Steel pipes undergo a meticulous manufacturing process to ensure quality and durability. The process starts with raw steel cast into billets or slabs, heated to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, and cleaned before being rolled into thin strips called scalp. For seamless pipes, hot billets are stretched into shape, while welded pipes are formed by heating and rolling the scalp, and then welding the edges together. Quality control is rigorous, involving X-ray gauges to monitor thickness and pressure tests to check for defects. The pipes are produced according to strict standards such as ASTM A53, ASME, and API, ensuring they meet the required specifications for various applications. The Grob G350 Universal Machining Center is designed for precision and versatility in part machining. It features tilting rotary tables available in 2 configurations, standard T-grooves and an optional pallet clamping system. The axis configurations include a standard version with A and B axes, and options for either A-axis or B-axis without the other. The machine supports a VDW-compliant machine tool interface, ensuring compatibility with various tools. Grob's automation solutions and digital applications, such as GrobNet for Industry, enhance production efficiency and connectivity. This versatile machine is ideal for various manufacturing needs, offering flexibility and precision. Gelber-Beger's X1 hydraulic bending machine is a robust tool designed for bending flat profiles, making it ideal for welding table applications. This machine stands at 280 millimeters tall, weighs 80 kilograms, and can operate on either 240 volt or 400 volt power. The MGS 3RP beveling machine is perfect for processing aluminum, steel, and stainless steel, handling edges up to 4 millimeter thick with manual pneumatic operation. Gelber also manufactures a range of other metalworking equipment, including various bending and beveling machines, welding tables, and accessories. Their products are built for precision and durability, catering to a wide array of metalworking needs. The Dragon HS by Promotech is a powerful and efficient cutting carriage, designed to handle precise steel cutting with oxy-fuel or plasma torches. It features a robust 20-watt power output and operates horizontally, accommodating torch diameters between 28 and 35 millimeter. With a ground clearance of 8 millimeter and a ground speed of up to 150 centimeter per minute, this machine ensures smooth and accurate cuts. Weighing 16.8 kilogram, it includes a gear motor-driven steel wheel system, a standard torch holder, and various components for optimal performance. The Dragon HS is perfect for high-quality cutting applications, offering flexibility and reliability for professionals. The Narenrad 500 is a state-of-the-art industrial mobile cleaning machine. With a 50-watt power output and a peak power of 10 kilowatt, it's perfect for cleaning various materials like metals and masonry. The machine's compact design, measuring 0.6 by 0.5 by 0.5 meters, and lightweight process head make it highly portable. It features an integrated cooling system and a special fiber resonator for surface-safe cleaning. The flexible optical fiber allows for easy access in tight spaces, while the laser control via industrial PLC ensures precise and efficient cleaning without the need for solvents or abrasive materials. Ideal for both manual and robotic applications, the Narenrad 500 offers an environmentally friendly and highly effective cleaning solution. The FFI high-speed nail-making machine, model FI-SH02, revolutionizes nail production with its ability to produce 1,050 nails per minute. This fully automatic machine, controlled by a PLC, is equipped with 8 sensors for enhanced monitoring and safety. It efficiently handles various nail types, including wire, D-type, paper, double head, and clout nails. With a power output of 14 kilowatt and operating at 380-volt 5060 HC, it supports nail diameters ranging from 2.8 to 4.2 millimeter and lengths from 40 to 120 millimeters. Built with a robust nodular cast iron frame and high-quality mold steel components, this machine ensures precise, consistent production and includes an automatic lubricating system for optimal performance. Ideal for manufacturing plants and construction industries, the FIH02 offers high productivity and reliability. The bolt manufacturing process is an impressive blend of precision and efficiency, starting with the selection of high-quality steel wire rods. These rods are chosen according to ISO 8981 standards, ensuring they meet specific mechanical properties. The journey begins with cold forging, where steel rods are uncoiled, cut to length, and shaped without heating thanks to high-pressure tooling. This method produces bolts quickly and uniformly. Complex bolt designs may require additional turning and drilling to achieve the desired shape. The bolts then undergo heat treatment to enhance their strength and durability. Threading is applied before heat treatment, ensuring the bolts have precise threads. Surface treatments like zinc plating are added for corrosion resistance. Finally, after rigorous quality control, the bolts are packaged and prepared for shipment. This meticulous process guarantees that each bolt meets the high standards required for various industrial applications. Thank you for exploring the fascinating world of metalworking with us. If you enjoyed this journey, please like and subscribe for more captivating content.